This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Push the hood safety latch to your left, then raise the hood. Loosen the nut on the negative battery cable clamp, then disconnect the cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Loosen the nut on the positive battery cable clamp, then disconnect the cable. Remove the battery hold-down bracket. Lift the battery out of the engine compartment. Remove the battery insulator and battery tray. Clean the tray as needed. Install the battery tray and insulator. Install the battery, being careful to keep the battery terminals in the correct orientation. Install the battery hold-down bracket, then tighten the nuts securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery first. Tighten the cable clamp nut securely, then secure the protective cover over the positive terminal. Then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery, tightening the cable clamp nut securely.